Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Elise, and I'm back with another video. So as you guys can see from the title, I did purchase this wig on Amazon, and I was a little apprehensive because I'm not too sure about the different hair pieces that you see on Amazon and on eBay. So I decided to try it out for myself, and I came across this wig from a company called Wigs, and they also have an actual physical online store, which I'll list in the info box below as well. And I did also find a coupon code if you decide to purchase from their online store. Use coupon code YS30WIGS and you can save $30 off of your purchase. I kind of wish that I did that so I can save some money. However, this wig did cost me, I want to say $190, and I did get the texture deep wavy, and my wig is 20 inches long. This is also a 360 lace front wig, and it's a 200% density. So yeah, this is what it looks like. The reason why it's looking a little weird just now is because upon washing this wig out, I did put it in a ponytail because I thought that I wanted to wear it in kind of like a ponytail style, since it is a 360 lace wig, and you all know that with 360 wigs you can wear it in a ponytail, a high ponytail, however you choose to wear it. But as I was looking at it, I was like, no, it's hot outside. I'm kind of feeling the whole wet and wavy look, so I decided to take the scrunchie off, and I just spritzed the hair down with a little bit of water to get rid of that demarcation from where the scrunchie was at, as well as to help define the front of the hair and bring some texture back into the wig. And this is what it's looking like. As you guys can tell, this wig is also pre-plucked along the hairline, which made life so much easier for me because I cannot stand plucking the hairline. It just takes way too long, and then you pluck too much, you get a bald spot, and it's just like all bad. But right now I decided to put a middle part in my wig because that's just what I like. So I went ahead and I parted the wig in the very center, and then I added a little of my foaming wrap mousse to kind of lay down those little sparse flyaways, as well as to kind of, you know, get the wig to look a little sleek on top. But as you guys can see, as the video goes on, I'm going to take that part out because the hair was just looking a little too shiny and it was looking a little fake to me. So yeah, I changed it. But right now I'm adding a little bit of my foaming wrap mousse along the baby hairs, and pretty much that's all I did. This is what it looks like. Now I did bleach my knots in advance, so that's why you're noticing that there is a slight tint. But if you wanted to take the more easier approach, you can also just add a little bit of concealer or foundation to the lace, and you're good to go. So this is what the style is looking like. So now what I went ahead and I did was I removed that part because, like I said before, it was just looking a little shiny, a little fake in my opinion. So I just spritzed my hair down with a little bit of water, and then I used my fingertips to help remove that part. So now I'm just kind of giving you guys a really easy, I want to say it's more like a wash and go, because there's no part, it's just sort of effortless, and it's just sort of throwing, you know, kind of out of my face. And this is what it's looking like. Check out those baby hairs. They're kind of going everywhere, but it's fine. But yeah, so overall my experience was pretty good. I'm feeling the hair. I'm loving the hair. It's super soft. It's super effortless. But yeah, you guys do check out YS Wigs on Amazon as well as their physical store. If you guys do happen to go by the physical store, use coupon code YS30WIGS to save $30. And I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye guys.